Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Shimi's Kitchen. So today let's make mutton raan in pressure cooker. It's a very easy marinate using some basic spices. A roast of any kind always makes a great table centerpiece, whether it is dressed to impress or straight out of the oven. This lamb is part of the menu for an Eid party, so let's see how I make it. First I am making the marinade. Add 3 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon Shan tikka masala, or you can also use 1 tablespoon tandoori masala, 2 teaspoons salt, adjust as per your taste, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 tablespoon roasted gram flour, some chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Give this a very good mix. Goes in 1/4 teaspoon red color, 2 tablespoon lemon juice and 2 tablespoon raw papaya paste. Mix this well and set aside. Take a large plate, place mutton leg on it, add 2 tablespoon raw papaya paste, rub all over the lamb. Goes in 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Rub this nicely. To this I am adding the marinade. Rub all over the mutton. Rub it on both the sides. And now I am going to place this in a container, close it and marinate this for 6 to 7 hours or overnight. Once done, transfer this in a pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water and pressure cook for 12 to 15 whistles. Now check with the mutton. If it's become tender, then switch off the flame. If it's not, add some more water and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Once done, set aside. Now take a large non-stick pan, heat 1/4 cup oil. Now place the cooked mutton raan. Cook for 5 minutes in a medium-high heat till it becomes golden brown. Now turn and cook for 5 minutes till it becomes golden brown. And now I'm going to give a charcoal smoke. Place foil and hot charcoal. Pour some oil drops on top. And close it for 10 minutes. Once done, serve hot. Indian mutton leg is the most delicious, spicy and busting with incredible flavor. This is one recipe that you don't want to miss it on Bakrid. This is very easy to make in pressure cooker. This Bakrid, do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more such amazing recipes. Stay tuned and have a nice day.